Hello, my name is Alain Moreau. I'm a full professor at the Faculty of Dentistry and the Faculty of Medicine at Université de Montréal. I'm also a researcher at Saint-Justine University Hospital. I'm working on the field of myalgic encephalomyelitis, also known as chronic fatigue syndrome, which is a very devastating disease affecting millions around the world. It's a disease that is more frequent than breast cancer, Parkinson's disease, or multiple sclerosis altogether. So this is a very serious disease and often is seen as an invisible illness because it's not reflecting on the face of the patient. So you may encounter people that looks normal but they are severely sick. There is no medical specialties that are fighting to take and assess the patients. So this may be problematic for patients. Unfortunately, research in myalgic encephalomyelitis is underfunded. So my research and research program on EMI is working to define a useful biomarker to figure out what is happening in those patients and to identify possible therapeutic targets to cure this terrible disease. I had the opportunity to have different trainees in my lab, and recently I have one that suffered in the past from myalgic encephalomyelitis, and she was one of the lucky ones that was able to recover from this terrible disease. So she was super motivated by doing some internship to do some research project about the disease. She brought her own experience to the project, okay, and of course having patients not only as clinical participant in our studies but also as an active participant in the research team is probably a game changer for us. We really appreciate her support, and that was a unique setting having her with us to do that type of research. By developing tests with them, we can have increased the buy-in of our research and also translate this type of research in useful clinical tools. I'm very happy to support patients not only as a clinical participant in our studies but also as an active member in the research team.